morning to my dear kids. This is your mathematics class and today we will continue with activity 1 in our maths book. So students, we are going to start with question number 7. In question number 7, it is asking to use some signs. First of all, we need to understand that why do we use these signs. We use these signs when we used to compare the numbers. Like this is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of smaller than, and this is the sign of equals to. So it means in question number 7, we need to compare the numbers and we need to put the sign as per the question is asking. Now first of all, two numbers are given over here, 160 and 169 and 170. As I have told you earlier also, whenever we need to compare the numbers, we should start with the left side. Always with the left side. So first of all, we will compare first number which is on the left side, which is 1. Now here in 169 it is 1. And in 170 also it is 1. When first number from the left hand side in both the numbers is same, then we need to move to the second number. Now here in 169 the second number is 6 and in 170 the second number is 7. It means 7 is greater than 6, so 170 is greater than 169. And here we will put greater than sign in front of 170. Means 170 is greater than 169. Now moving towards next, again we need to start comparing from the left hand side. Now in 685 the first number is 6 and in 785 the first number is 7. So 7 is greater than from 6. That means 785 is greater than 685. So we will put greater than sign in front of 785. Now moving towards next, 417 and 471 we have. Again we will start comparing with left hand side. Now while start comparing with left hand side, again 417 is having 4 and 471 is also having 4. So we should move to the next number. Now 417 is having 1 as second number and 471 is having 7 as second number. So now 7 is greater than 1. So 471 is greater than 417. So again we will put greater than sign in front of 471 because 471 is greater than 417. Now moving towards next, it is saying to compare 900 and 800. Again we will start with the first digit at left hand side. Now in 900 the first digit is 9 and in 800 the first digit is 8. So 9 is greater than 8, therefore 900 is greater than 800. So we will put greater than sign in front of 900. Now next is to compare 528 and 523. Again we will start with left hand side. Now by starting with left hand side, in 528 5 is first digit and in 523 also 5 is first digit. Now moving towards next, second digit is 2 here and again in 523 also second digit is 2. So what should we do? We need to move towards the third digit. Now here the third digit is 8 and here the third digit is 3. Now 8 is greater than 3. Therefore 528 is greater than 523. So we will put greater than sign in front of 528. That means 528 is greater than 523. Now in the same manner you need to compare these left sums and put the signs accordingly on your own. Now students, our next question is fill in the missing numbers. But how we will fill in the missing numbers? First of all, we need to identify the hidden pattern which is there in between the numbers. Like your A part is first number is written 8, then second is 38 and then next is 68. We need to identify the hidden pattern. And how you can identify? See, this is ones place digit. Here at tens place digit, nothing is there. Now this is ones place digit. This is tens place digit. This is ones place digit. This is tens place digit. So you can observe that at ones place digit, the digit is same in all the numbers. Here also 8, here also 8 and here also 8. But at tens place digit, if nothing is there, we can write 0. So earlier here was 0, then it became 3 and then it became 6. So by writing the next number, you need to understand that at ones place digit, everywhere 8 will remain the same. So here we can write 8. Now you need to identify difference is there at the tens place digit only. So earlier it was 0. So how many tens we have skipped by reaching to 3? After 0 we left 1 and 2. Then we came to 3. Now after 3 how many tens we have skipped for reaching 6? After 3, 4 and 5 we have skipped for reaching to 6. Now after 6, see again here also we have skipped 2 tens and here also we have skipped 2 tens. That means we got the pattern. We need to skip 2 to tens everywhere. So ones digit will be same 8. Now at tens place 6 is there. Now we need to skip 2 tens 7 and 8. So at tens place here we will write 9. Now in next number also 8 will remain same. Now what will come at tens place? Again after 9 we need to skip 2 tens 10 and 11. So here it will come 12. Now again at ones place digit 8 will remain same. Now after 12 we need to skip 2 tens 13 and 14. So here it will come 15. So the number is 158. Now in the second part again we need to identify the hidden pattern. First number is 188, second number is 192 and third number is 196. Now we need to identify how many numbers we have skipped between these two numbers and between these two numbers. By counting we can identify. After 188 we have skipped 189, 190 and 191. Means 3 numbers we have skipped. Now again here starting from 192 to reach 196, how many numbers we have skipped? 193, 194, 195. Again we have skipped 3 numbers. So here we can observe that this is the pattern of skipping 3 numbers. So by applying the same, after 196 we need to skip 3 numbers. 197, 198, 199. So here we will write 200. After 200 by skipping 3 numbers 201, 202, 203. We have reached to 204. Again we will skip 3 numbers 205, 206, 207. So we have reached to 208. See beta, by applying the same method you can do this C, T and E part on your own. Okay, so now we are moving on question number 9. What question number 9 is saying? Rewrite in ascending order. Ascending order, beta, what is ascending order? Ascending order is just to start with smallest number and reach to the largest. This is the goal in ascending order. So here is a set of number given to you. Again you need to start from the left hand side in all the numbers. So first of all check left hand side's first digit of each number. Here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 2 and here it is 4. So which number is having the least digit? 1 is the least digit. So 172 will be the smallest number. So we will write 172. Now 172 is the smallest number. So it will have smaller than sign in front of it. Now after 1, which number is having the smallest digit at its left hand side's first place? 2. So 217 is the second smallest number. So here we will write 217 and again it will have a smaller than sign. Now after 2, which is the smallest digit? 3. So 385 will be the next smallest number. So we will write here 385. Again it will have a smaller than sign. And last 437 is the largest number. So you will write 437 here. Now by applying the same method you can do B part on your own. Now coming towards the descending order, here beta in descending order we used to start with the largest number and our goal is to reach to the smallest number. So again by comparing the first digit of left hand side we can identify which number is largest. Now among these all 6 is the largest digit. So we will write 666 first. Now because it is the largest number it will have greater than sign in front of it. Now after 6, 3 is the largest digit. So 333 will be the next largest number. Again it will have a greater than sign. Now after 333, 2 is the largest digit. So we will write here 222 and again it will have a greater than sign with it. And 1 is the smallest digit. So 111 will be the smallest number. So by applying the same method you can do B part on your own. Now beta our 11th question is to complete the following sentences. So what first sentence is saying the place value of 5 in 572 is 500s or, means it is asking by which method we can write it. So 500s can be written in numbers like this 500. Now in second the reduced or short form of 800 plus 20 plus 7. So it will be 827. Now next is asking the number that comes in between 728 and 730 is. Which number is coming in between 728 and 730? Between means after 728 and before 730. That means it is 729. Now next is asking the place value of dash in 198 is 9 tens or 90. Which digit is having tens place in this number? So first of all write the place value ones, tens, 100. So which digit is having tens place? 9. So here we will write 9. Now in next the number that comes just after 299 is. So which number comes after 299? Yes, it is 300. In next, the expanded form of 352 is. See beta, expanded form means to write in detailed form and it will be in the same pattern like we are speaking. 300 plus 50 plus 2. You can also identify the places by writing ones, tens and 100. Now next is asking 600 plus 70 is dash than 762. First of all, you need to add 670. So we will add 670. So what we will get over here? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. And 6 will be 6. So 670. We can write here in bracket 670. Now 670 is dash than 762. Is it smaller or is it greater? Yes, it is smaller. So we will write here 670 is smaller than 762. Now the place value of 0 in 109 is, see again we can write here ones, tens, 100. So what is the place value of 0? Tens. So we will write tens here. Now in I part it is asking the largest 3-digit number is. Beta, I have told you that the largest digit we have with us is 9. And 9 is the single largest digit number. So 2-digit largest number will be 99 and 3-digit largest number will be 999. Now 999 is dash than 998. Now J part is asking that 999 is smaller than or greater than 998. Yes, it is greater than 998. Why? Because 999 comes after 998 in the counting. So beta, we have completed our activity 1. You should do the leftover sums on your own and revise question 11 carefully. Have a good day. Thank you so much.